Hi everyone, my name is Akorede Adenike. You're welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for you to be notified each time I upload new video. In this tutorial today, I would like to teach you how to cut and sew double layers ruffle sleeve. Let's begin. This is the fabric I'm using for it. And this is my basic sleeve. I have a video on how to cut this basic sleeve, which I'm going to put the link in the box below. Here is my basic sleeve. The length of my sleeve is 11 inches. The normal length for it is 10 inches, but I added half inch for joining of the ruffle here and half inch for joining of the shoulder. If you have enough fabric, you can make yours longer than this, maybe 12 or 13 inches. So to start with my ruffle now, I'm going to measure what is here, but let me first of all measure half inch for seam allowance out. So I'm going to make a straight line here now. Making a straight line. So from this line now, I'm going to measure I'm going to determine how I'm going to lay my ruffle now. So from this line, I'm going to measure 3 inches for the second ruffle. This will be the first layered ruffle and the second layer ruffle. So I'm going to connect this one to form a straight line. If you want to make it 3 layers ruffle, you can measure another 3 inches here upward and make it a straight line, but my fabric cannot be enough for me for that 3 layered ruffles. That's why I want to make 2 layers ruffle. So on this first line, I'm going to measure what is here. What I have here now is 14.5. I'll now divide that 14.5 by 3.14 because I'm cutting half circle for it for my ruffle. So 14.5 divided by 3.14 will give me 4.6. This is my leftover fabric. So I'm going to fold it. Here is it. I'm going to fold it like this for my first layer ruffle. And fold it into 2 like this. I will now fold it like this now to get my half circle for my ruffle, for my first ruffle. So I'll now measure that 4.6 that I get here now. I'll measure it from this center. I'm going to measure that 4.6. 4.6. I'll now connect it round a little bit like this. I'll let it curve a little bit like this. So from this line now, I'm going to measure 6 inches. That's the length of my ruffle. 6 inches all around. So I'll now connect it round like this. So on this line now, I'll just add half inch sewing allowance to it. Or half inch sewing allowance. So at the bottom here too, I'm going to add half inch sewing allowance because I'm using bias tape to finish it up. So I'll now cut it out. cut this place too. Here is my first layered ruffle. So the same process that I used for this first line to get my ruffle, I'm going to use it for this line too. I'll measure what is here. So whatever I get here, I'll divide it by 3.14. So I'll use it to cut my second ruffle out. So this is my second ruffle. I've cut it out. I used the same process that I used for the first line for it. So I'll now turn my fabric into the right side and make the marking on it. Now I'm starting my sewing with the first line here. So I'll let the right side of the ruffle face the right side of the basic sleeve. I'll just place it like this. And make sure I place it like this and stitch it with 1/2 inch from this place down to this place. And the second line too, I'll place it like this. I'll place it like this and sew with 1/2 inch. So now I've finished joining it together. Here is the first layer and here is the second layer. So look how beautiful and neat it is. I'll now go and finish the edges here. I'll go and finish it with bias tape, or better still, I can double fold it like this. You can double fold it like this and stitch on it like this, or I can use my bias tape to finish it up. After finishing the edges, after making it neat, I'll now place it like this to sew my seam allowance for this place out. So I'll make sure I place all these ruffles. I'll let it be aligned on each other like this. So this is the first step. Make this one, place it on it like this, and this, and the last one, which is the first step of it, just make it align together like this. And I'll now go and stitch it with 1 inch that I added on this place for my. Now I'm done with the sewing. Here is the first layer and here is the second layer. As you can see, it's very nice and beautiful. I'll now give it nice press. So guys, if you find my tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to support my channel. If you have any question pertaining to this, you can join me on my Facebook group to ask your question, or you leave a question in the comment box below. So my Facebook group is Details to Sewing, created by Akorede Adenike. I'm on Twitter at Akorede Adenike. I'm also on Instagram at Akorede Adenike. Till I see you in my next video, stay blessed guys. Bye bye.